This video is for our Edo community. Please, we are on December month. Please, you people should stop all this quarrel, all this insult, all this quarrel left and demon and stop. Please, my people. Because people that start this 2021 January, they are not, many people they didn't make it to December. So why are we killing ourselves? Why are we fighting ourselves? Please, I come and use this video to beg every Edo presenter. Please, you supposed to stop this madness, stop this saga, stop this fighting community. Because I don't know what's not the fight they put. I don't know the pursue of the one they go. This life, it's not about make money. Make money and make good name. Not be saying because they look for view, you can't disgrace yourself, disgrace your born children, disgrace your family, disgrace your anybody around you. What is the need to get view without no respect? My people, we will use our sense, we will use our inner sense to calculate ourselves. If I look everywhere, na Rita side, na Ijore side, na Kate side, na easy Ogbede side, na Lolo side, who side I want face? Na whether I say Rabi na Sarah side, na Vera, who shall one face? The most painful one, two sisters on social media, disgracing yourself. Two sisters at the same time. How two persons will come out from one family? They insult on that person. You get your own guala for body. This life, wait oh. How you go just see somebody go leave your guala with full ground? Carry on that person guala put for head. You all see how many months now we be say Vera leave your guala for ground, carry on the cow for your head. This life, no balance. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How you people doing? It is your lady Mommy Favor TV, one of Paris. How you people doing? So I changed my YouTube name to Mommy Favor. So you are welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me for. I say may God Almighty bless you all. Thank you guys for watching. Please always drop your comments, what you think about my video. Share me out. As you do that, God Almighty will bless you. So my people, for today's video, this video I'm doing it, I have pay my body, because what is going on Edo community, all this our Edo, na question I can't answer now, not be quarrel. I beg, who know what they drag they put, what they fight they put, we here no go hear what they gay. If you go right, problem. If you go left, problem. If you go front, problem. If you go back, problem. I beg my people, what not they drag they put. The worst part will be say, I don't know how to say it. The worst part, when you are quarreling, you can insult yourself, insult your life, insult your life, no problem. But remove your husband inside, remove the children inside. Now, before they grow anything, they like to do saga, they like to insult everybody. Mostly Vera. I don't even know. You will come out. The worst part, before you talk to a person, you fail that person. You fail that person before you go to make math. Because I know say this social media, na package, you know, the package like orange package, you don't get finish for my life. How can you be insulting one person that he don't even answer you, he don't mind you, you live there low? How can you all leave your whole problem? You carry on that person wala, put am for your head. You want cookie wire, what did they happen our Edo people? Not be juju be this one. If you get what you go talk about, when you talk somebody word once, two, leave them alone, let them be. Our community allow you, they will carry the matter like say tomorrow. No, they will all leave their own problem. Wait to Vera, you not get your own problem for body. If your body, we see if your body, why you go leave your own problem? You carry person wahala. You won't find it. You won't find the truth. You won't find it. You won't find the truth. Who truth they find? What is they? Who they pursue you? Who truth they find? See, like me, not people that they take her. Since Monica decides, say, you know, go breed the the DNA test. Una leave her alone. You don't reach like that. Leave her alone. I don't know the truth they find. You want find that person truth. You want find that person truth. You never find your own way there your body. Your own way there your body. We may go left for. You never know what we move. Eh? I don't know. Muna mature like Monica. Now make can they talk and say in the leader. Not the mature. You see, sis will be say very they talk to Monica. Monica, you answer her once, a bit twice. Finish. And Monica, she don't even know if somebody is talking. Because he look at it, no rich. Not be about live video. You come and start for live video. The camera will change you, your beauty, this and this. Even outside the camera, even inside the camera, if you look away, you know say this will not be original beauty. If you want valao, dating yan valao, yan bio, dig bin valao, you only me mine. Oh, wala dia. Look, me ma begin in the shape. Ma begin in any. Eh? I know. Okay. Even see now. If you not be very, we be say he sort a no good wife. Yeah, no good. The gay issue. You not go insult a no good wife. But you will make you know because he sort Vera baby father. No, he sort her. I don't know the kind. What they go on now? We be say. Una get issue for that to iron na matter they sort each other if they go for now feel sort na life sort na from 8 to 2 no problem but the husband and the children you people should take them out of your mouth. Or don't even go labor room. You not even know say children not be waiting to play at all. All of you now the disgrace na self. For me, I don't even see anyone where beside go even remove. I will say Kuma remove Monica because Monica know they come out, come they annual because only work better no be again hero. Obey again hero. If you did it too much, you come out once too. It's okay. And my sister Kate. Talogbe wagnona. Talogbe. I don't respect you bomari. If you want to answer person, answer her once to leave her. We don't crazy. Always pay. Una me secret to carry a bomb. We did that because in this like they say if you don't be small become you will leave her. Maybe they sort himself. You know if you say person they come out because you do self, you know say Lolo not get work. And then winner, you not get. Because if you know they see Monica for live video, you'll be like say you want your friend or can you do. Because all of us don't see and say, Monica will win now. Lolo, you can't see if this person do this one, you want do one. If person do this one, you want do. If person do this one, you want do one. Eh? Package you not be life. Package you not be life. If you go this side, if you go this side, at all. Oge vera iwa to ase. Uwe na yafi watana. Oge vera iwa to ase. Oge vera me sera. Iyeme mi emi okpani ya presenti. Agbera saga. People will come and you know say that person is near you. Uga itie boy bonikuwa. Wa itie bonikuwa. Sarah. What did I say? Sarah? Imani yati wewo. How can you come and be insulting people's children, people's husband? Eh? They say you marry Igbo for Igbo has gone that my house. You will be saying for hide your shame. They come and they insult person with their husband. Confirm oh. You come and they insult you, no insult you. Eh? Person where you go in your house, you don't drink water, you don't eat, you don't bath. You come back because they insult our own mother. Yeah, okay. So the person will not say you don't pick you will be say he senior you. I beg. When they get respect, when they get a little respect. Because this life, what you mean believe if you not get old training as you grow up, mostly we don't have Europe, you can't get that old training. You go train yourself by yourself. You go train yourself by yourself because I look you your sister, you and your sister Vera. Why about me old training? And una see grow finish, una come decide say una go ever give yourself full training. Wa te bonegbu ba, wa te bonegbu ba. Even when you have a face, you have time to even look at. If they bring Monica out, they can't be Vera out. Who don't want shoes inside? They can't be Sarah. They can't be Kate. Who don't want shoes inside? What? I mean, I don't know what they happen. Me, as I say they wash it's like at that time. They say they wash them. I just say maybe you know go see John this nonsense thing, all this saga. But all you know what we moon. Ha! I am your dion. I am your ha. I am your okay. In a dog way or wa biene or bibieri or while. I change this. If I come for working, I'll say my see you sure. If I let someone me this, I'll say what did they happen? See, I mean, this video not be say I dey join anybody or maybe I don't support anybody. I don't they watching a video. 1 minute it's okay. If I say that, if I say this one they talk about this or this, I'll say what did they worry our people? You people have to change. If Baniro no in we here bonye on that one, yeah. This life, you know, see, I mean, if person offend you, if person offend you, if you get people body, they talk like this or Zewogi and Joreo. People say when you get people body, no. If you person offend you, do it. Mostly if you don't help person finish, that person can't turn around, can't bite you. That bite, you go to pay you for body. No, you want worse is tenoro. Because this life, will be so with this. If you never help somebody, and that person can't offend you, and that he can't pay you, and that he can't be like the thing can't they pay you. You know, see, Martin and waiting. You see that video we be say where they do for video, because you just calm because the, you know that is you know offend Jore calm. You see that the name they had me queen. The thing they pain off for body because you know the battle he battle. You know, and you know the battle will be say he battle. I tell you this life will do so. Where he just allow happen. We be say he make everybody know Jore. Where he give Joy land, everybody come join the group, come they do this one. Where he do that woman all that time. I don't say he go do all of them one by one. As that also be nana, you see they do. I gonna get in her for the second time. On a iba. So where Mansaro after that time. I talk from my mind. I say all these people they never know. This is how if you do Mansaro if you say if you bring her up, little things she provoke, she abandon that woman. I say go must do everybody will be said they around now. So what we now do again. This one na your own tongue will be say it happen to you. You understand? As the thing paper people the reason I say see people mouse around that time. That will be say you don't offend mouse around for little thing you saw that woman. Because they say you know be I man never go in your back practice in your go in your 200,000 account but the woman oh yeah 500,000 200,000 80,000 oh yeah muji Jore the woman in mainland we give you Jore land everywhere boss now make Jore increase to today. You understand? So when that woman happen I not is okay go say that woman not do well because I'm not waiting that woman do. So when you all see happen so when you take her easy take her because now waiting life be that it happen now life is you understand what you think say maybe they do to another person you go surely reach your turn. So take it easy, cool your mind, forget the past, forget ITA pan, forget everything, let bygone be bygone, just leave and move on with your life. Lolo, not let Monica word hold you again, because no matter how you go do rich with the senior, Monica mercy. So don't go kill yourself by yourself because you want to be famous. Not use everywhere to bush. You just forget. Leave Monica go your way. You go your way. Mr. Rita and Mr. Kate. Muna forget about any issue we pass, anything we happen before. Muna forget her. Muna let bygone be bygone. Muna move on. Because there's no need to insult husband. There's no need to insult children. because they don't send a message. You understand? No sell una two message. Una leave the matter. Me this one go aho. Me the one go aho. Now be waiting and see, because all this one we say because they insult each other. You know they okay, because this life, where will the car they go? Nobody knows tomorrow. I beg. Sister Rita and Sister Kate, I'm gonna let bygone be bygone. Sister Monica, Sister Lolo, you don't reach. You don't fight and reach. Everybody don't see the truth. Lolo, mostly Lolo, let bygone be bygone. I don't say if you leave Monica alone, Monica, if you manage they are sule, Monica ego. Why we select on all of your tongue? Let bygone be bygone, because I reckon I like Berry. You understand? I reckon this one I Europe are mostly children we born for Europe. That they will say no, they fusion together. Often what they say leave me in my life. So I don't see anything we be say we're gonna go fight now. All of us go fight for ourselves. Not good. I beg Monica Lolo. I'm gonna let bygone be bygone. Vera, yeah, Otion, Sarah. I'm not forget any matter, because I don't see matter. We not be saying they fight. I don't see truth when they fight. But my fight the truth of what for more to can fight the truth of my way. This life, person, another person, wala, if you go put her for year, because if you there, you put her for grand. No carry another person, wala put for head, like say you carry a video bill or put for bag. No, Vera, whatever. You understand? No be so you gonna do. They do. This one. Shape river, nothing there. Forget about all those one. All those one they see. All of them like camera, my sister. A camera no. Auto or massive video. You understand? What if they take a bath now? It's hard to take off your children. You understand? If I be you, you see that shouldn't be said they laugh you. Forget about all this saga, this thing. Make your time. Make how you make money. Take off that children. Because they not be the first fruits we God give you. You don't need to abandon them. Go take off your children. So we say you can't bring your baby father into the saga. You know they careful. As you say your husband, your baby mama, your baby papa, you go school. Who go school? You know if you behave like illiterate. This life, if some people, so if somebody they behave like illiterate, like fool, like ozo, who come where you mature more than that, you are big more than that. You understand? This one you say your husband call you sister saga. All of them I view. All of us know. There's no need for that. You understand? Forget about issue. You and Monica don't get issue. Forget about issue. You understand? Ask Monica be I be. If you offend me and you tell me sorry, say what you do no good, I will forgive you. Now be Christian. Because if you let you say sorry and you don't forget that person, either your blessing, they drop your blessing. Now make Monica the only forgive, because you want me bless the high. You want me God the bless and more. You know they understand. Forgiveness is a very big thing. It's not easy to forgive. Now make when you forgive someone, God will take you from zero to grace. From 0 to number 2. From number 2 to number 10. Now make forgiveness good. You understand? Vera, try to get that forgiveness out, because because if you say, because I see Vera they look for view, because if not be view, Ladian talk normal thing, talk about people, talk normal thing, me will see view, you will be say you go get. If I be you, I go easy. I will Monica Kadoni Birane. Again, Irene. All you need to do now, since you do now, just now, for you to add that money to send to your children. You understand? Because this life, if you man born give man, that man feel abandon his children. Mother can never abandon his children. When are they? Any mother will be say he abandon your children, not be mother. That motherhood, wherever. You understand? As it may be so, I don't feel abandon my children for any man. Con rain, con sunshine. I'm not trying. I'm not trying. Good mother, they take off of their own children. They take off their own children. Whether bad or good, they take off their children. Very, very well. Voila. You understand? Sarah. ebo we ma nego. A kid must put whatever now because woman ni uri any. You understand? And the even part, the word no concern you. There's no need for you. You understand? I just got to beg you, leave who don't eat for years, leave and alone. Live easy. Women yako yeti yomo yagbo kan no feel no je. Leave them. Now me be say they talk to each other, I go always say do not leave her. You understand? Wasi I if you person marry, whether your husband good, no good, not leave am. Na the what you hungry now, you let the person buy shop. You understand? There are see I you know, you're not looking for any truth, you're not looking for view. Bother this thing. Yeah? Because I don't know what, because if I see all this social media, all this our community for social media, you know, I'm saying I'll be senior. I know they see the seniority for there. Where go abonye, I'm not supposed na bonyeji. Where go abonye? No, let's join one side. You know good. If you look out for Kate, before Kate come that a papa you don't before Kate come finally answer Rita because they don't they throw. You understand? Everybody need to mind their business. If you want to make friends with somebody, make friends. If you don't make friends, say that friend not come good. Leave them alone. There's no need for you, so there's no need to abuse anybody. Who want marry Mali? Na his choice. Who want marry Senegal? Na his choice. Who want marry Morocco? Na his choice. Who want marry Hausa? Na his choice. Who want marry Cameroon? Na his choice. Who want marry Edo people? Na his choice. Who want marry Yoruba? Na his choice. Anytime we say you want marry, na your choice. Now what you agree? Now you buy shop. If I go marry Ghana, na your choice. So anything we be say person want to, wanna leave me they do because this life nobody knows tomorrow. Not be say we go kill ourselves. No, you know they good. You understand? You know they good. I beg, everybody they behave. As I talked on before, like Monica, because she's very, very mature. People are to mature. Please, my people, stop all this saga. Stop all this thing. As now see him, I even forget this one. No gay. You and your wife, you people have to stop. Because they say too much of everything is not good. You see this life. Where your godfather, where you come, una insult our wife, una insult her. No matter say tomorrow we go there. You see your goddaughter now. You see they do the same thing to you. Now make this life karma. Karma is free. I beg my people, my Edo people, my brother and sister, we must stop this saga. It's enough. We don't hear. It's enough. There's nothing for this life. We say we they drag. Many people sleep yesterday. We say they not see today. Many people start this 2021 January. They are not here to enjoy this December. Please, we are going to another new year. This is the month of December. Please, people should stop. Stop it. Stop it. People should stop it. Please. Stop this fight, all this hatred. No, you stop them. Embrace, please. Okay, everyone. Thank you, my people, for watching. Thank you, everyone. I'm your lady, Mommy Favor TV. Thank you for watching. Please share this video. Drop your opinion. You understand? The one say where, I'm gonna put me for us. The one I talk well, people take it. The one that I didn't say well, please forgive me and drop your opinion in the comment section. Thank you everyone for watching. I will see you in my next video. Have a wonderful time. Please, if you are not subscribed to this YouTube channel, get your sister a favor and press that red button so that anytime I upload the new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you everyone for watching. I love you all. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.